What's going on, everyone? It is Garrett and welcome to my portfolio reviews video. Now this is going to be taking the spot of my top 5. I want to say that right away. Top 5 is completely done. This new series is what's going to be taking the spot, and I honestly think it's going to be a lot more fun to do and a lot more beneficial from everyone to the really professional people all the way down to those really brand new designers. So, how to submit your portfolio for this video and for this series. Now, there's going to be a email on screen somewhere. It's going to be my new email that you guys can submit your portfolios to. It's called portfolio@garrettmalone.com. Now, it's very simple to submit it. What you want to do is head over to your email. You want to grab your portfolio link and then your preferred social media account, whether it's Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Tumblr, Dribble. It could basically go on to anything. It's going to be how I'm going to give you guys exposure, how I'm going to shout you guys out in the video, and then also include your name in the email. So for example, if I'm going to be submitting an email to myself, I would put in the subject, basically whatever. You can put your name like Garrett Malone -portfolio or whatever it is, and then inside the description or the details of the email, I want you guys to include your name, your preferred social media account, and then also the link to your portfolio. Now, I want to make it very clear, I want links to your portfolio. I do not want to click on a bunch of images, download links to videos and stuff like that. I want to make sure that it's either a Behance link, Carbon Made, your website, YouTube, if you guys are motion designers, Vimeo, your motion reel, basically anything like that, but I want it to be a portfolio. I don't want it to be a single piece of work. I don't want it to be anything like that, just to make that clear. So once again, make sure you guys get this. It's going to be your name, your preferred social media account, and then your portfolio link, and that's basically it. So go submit your stuff right now. Basically go do that and come back to the video. And what we're going to be doing now is talking about how I'm going to choose a winner. Now, I know a lot of people are going to say it's going to be favoritism, whether it's the best one or the worst one. The way I'm going to be doing it is I'm going to be basically scrolling through my inbox, clicking on some random ones, making sure that they include design and they include, things that are worth, going over and reviewing. As bad as I hate to, say that, a lot of portfolios I've seen include like AVIs and stuff, and I want to review more than that. I want to review like advertisements. I want to review drawings, motion design, Twitter headers, basically anything like that I want to review. I don't want to review these AVIs and stuff like that. I don't think the community nor anyone watching would have a great time for it. So when you're submitting your stuff, make sure it's your own work also. I will be going through, and I have a pretty good eye now to know when something's not yours. I've been doing design long enough. I've seen a lot of people. I kind of know styles through everyone. So make sure it's your own work. Make sure it includes more than just like stupid simple designs that are like AVIs. If it's like manipulations and stuff like that, go for it. I want to see those. But if it's just these AVIs that have people's logos that you just replace the text with, let's take those out. I want to make sure that they're, very well genuine designs and stuff like that. So the way that it's going to happen, like I said, scroll through my inbox, going to click on some random ones, and then basically do that. Now, a very big kind of thing you want to do, every week after the video comes out, you need to resubmit your portfolios. I will be deleting my entire inbox after every single video is uploaded. The reason behind that is because I don't want to go through 6,000 portfolios about like 2 months down the road, just because it's not going to be, as fair. So every week there's going to be new winners, there's going to be new submissions, and I want to keep it that style just because it's a lot easier for me to run it. It's a lot easier to keep new people in here, and then also kind of keep the suspense building, whether you guys are waiting to get your portfolio on the video or your friends or anything like that. So just make sure to resubmit your portfolio every week. Basically the same thing, your name, your social media, your portfolio link, and then you're basically good. So that's it. That's going to be the new series. So make sure that you basically tune in I think it's going to be every Friday. I'm going to upload these, and just sit there, wait, watch the video. It's definitely going to help you guys get better at design. It's going to help, my channel grow more, and definitely get everyone involved in the community with one another. So if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on my email. It's hello@garrettmalone.com. And then that's all I got for today's video. Thanks guys for checking out. Hope to see you guys, submit your portfolios to the email. Everything's in the description below that you need, and I'll see you guys in my later on video. Peace out. Get down!